We visit nursing homes. I'll let Angela tell you guys really quick about her nursing home experience.
So I had a friend of mine actually had a family member in a nursing home. And so I met her there to sign her documents because she was, in a really bad shape. And so while I was there, I was nice to the front desk lady. And when I left, I asked her, can I leave some business cards? And she said, yes. So that is like, I am their notary now. Whenever all of a sudden out of the blue, people start calling me from this nursing home saying, oh, I got your card from the nursing home. Can you meet me here this day? When can I arrange? So I have my own nursing home. And the other one is I did an apostille for a man at a business in another county, and I noticed that there were a hospice center and a nursing home catty-corner to his business. So I went and introduced myself, gave him a business card, gave him a Starbucks card, and so those are two other nursing homes that I have where they call me when they need somebody in their nursing home facility to have things notarized. So marketing wherever you can, just do it.
And it only takes one good relationship. Like Angela with her nursing home. Actually, I don't know that I heard you say the lady actually owned 4 different nursing homes.
Oh, she does. I didn't say that, but she does.
I thought so. So Angela, the person that she was referring to, she got into one nursing home. Little did Angela know the lady actually owned 4 nursing homes. So she's been in and out those nursing homes recently, guys. So marketing is key. You want to be the go-to notary in your area. And it's not much. Have a great personality, know how to stamp those documents, price where your customer can afford it. Don't be greedy.
Don't be greedy.
Volume. Me and Angela go back and forth about this. We'll take the next question after this. But Angela and I go back and forth sometimes about pricing because I believe in volume. I might be a little cheaper here, but I'm looking at the big picture. Angela, what's your thoughts on that pricing thing?
I'm kind of like that, but I have, like in my area, I've gotten to the point where people really like me, so they don't even question my prices. Everybody that called me, I've had a customer that I did a will for and he did his documents. He's called me 3 times, and whatever I told him, he don't question me because he loves my service. He loves the fact that I have good service, that I'm professional and all of that. So when you're professional, you have good service. Now I don't gouge them. And also it's good to sometimes say, I'm going to give you a discount because you're a regular customer. So I'm going to give you $15 off this notary. So he likes me. The other lady I called that I called on before and did her documents, I did her estate documents. She called me the other day, said, you did a notary for me before. I need this deed done, da, 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 da. I gave her my price, and that's what it is. So because of my customer service, they don't care about my price, I maximize my price because that's what I'm worth.
And she don't want to throw me under the bus, but sometimes she's like, Kim, you're giving services away for free.
I sure do all the time.
So she's trying to be generous and not dog me out, y'all. But sometimes I'm a little cheap. But I'm learning from Angela. We learn from each other and we balance each other out so much. So get you a notary buddy, guys. I'm big on that. So let's get back to our chat. Okay, so we got Miss Val again. Val says, I want to start my notary business, but have not done a lot, so not sure where to start. So again, Val, I'm going to always keep going back to, first of all, do you know how to be a good notary? And once you're a good notary, the marketing piece will come. That's going to be the same thing we keep talking about. Google My Business, business cards, getting out in the community, let people know you're the go-to notary. But you first need to feel confident in order to stamp that paper. That I cannot underestimate that. You got to know how to be a good notary. And once you get that confidence level, the business part will come. Because you'll be like, I got to go stamp something. I know what to do.
Right.
We had a couple people in class actually said that. They was like, I'm ready to go stamp now.
Right.
So, once you get that confidence, so you're going to be fine. Just get you a plan too. That's one more thing. I'm going to go on a little tangent right quick. Always have a plan. So you want to be a notary. What does that look like? Do you want to do general notary, loan signing, apostilles? What do you want to do? Map it out, because if not, you'll be all over the map with what to do. So you need a little plan. What do I want to do? Where do I want to focus my business? So you can't do all of it at one time. As you know, Angela and I both do everything. But just kind of map it out. I didn't start out doing fingerprinting. Right. I didn't start out I-9s. I didn't start out with doing apostilles. So I just added that if you guys been watching my channel. So it's something I wish I had did sooner, but I just wasn't ready maybe. It wasn't time for me to do that.
We can tell them a little story about that apostille thing. So the way we started with the apostilles, actually, I think, Kim, correct me if I'm wrong, we both kind of Kim got an apostille. She didn't do it. She was scared to do it. She's like, I'm not doing that. So I got an apostille. And Kim's bilingual, so I'm not. I'm like, Kim, I got this person want to do a apostille. I said, I think I know how to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm like, but I need you because I don't know what they're saying. So I need you to help me out. I said, we're going to split the cost half and half, you know. I got it here. You tell him. So she talked to the man. She told me what the man needed. I did the document. I went and did the apostille. And after we did that together, we was like, we got this. So we did a little more research on it together. We studied it together. And now we both do apostilles.
Yes, we do. What we don't know, guys, I know I just did a video, fake it till you don't fake it till you make it.
Don't fake it till you make it.
But sometimes you got to fake it till you make it. So when they call, you would think I'm the apostille king queen over here, right? But I don't know everything, but I got Angela.
But on the other hand, we really didn't fake it till we make it because we didn't know that we both had been researching apostilles. And so when it came up, what I didn't know, she knew, and what she didn't know, I knew. So we put it together, had one whole person that knew apostilles.
Yeah, we
went from there, and that's what we did. We just worked out with each other, so we both know how to do it, and that's how we did it.
Yeah, and then don't think the market is oversaturated. I hate to go on these tangent, guys, but the market is not oversaturated. So just like Angela and I split that, we share a lot of work, and we wish we had other notaries in the area that actually we can give stuff to. And I actually called another notary the other day because I needed a witness. My witness list, as you guys know, I always keep a witness list. This particular day, I couldn't find anybody. So I just went on Google and I did notary near me. And I found the nicest notary. Her reviews were tight. She was very customer service oriented. She couldn't help me, but she gave me another man. He came to serve as my witness. So I'm adding him to my witness list. So have a little system in play. Even if you got to Google, because people say, well, how do I find a notary buddy? Just Google. Look for the best notary in your area based on reviews. That's what I did. And I called her, and then now we got a relationship.
Right. And you guys that have taken our training that are on, there are so many times that I have called somebody that took our training and they don't answer the phone. Answer your phone. I've needed a witness. I need somebody to be a witness. I do have one young lady over in Stone Mountain. She's always been there. She always picks up her phone. But I've called so many people. I've had notaries in different counties, you know, in Henry County, in Midtown. I'm like, I looked through my list. I'm like, oh, they took our class. I call, nobody answers the phone. So you guys always, if you're going to want to be a good notary, answer your phone.
And that's when people keep saying, well, how do I build my business? That's the first thing. I answer every phone call. And if I cannot answer it, I have pre-typed text messages. I'm sorry, I'm with another client right now. I'll get with you as soon as I can or whatever. But they know I want their business. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's go to Brandy. Brandy said, what are the steps to becoming a signing agent? I thought I read that it was only for attorney. So Brandy, don't get caught up in the name. So you got all these different titles. I'll run through them really quick for you, okay? You got notary signing agent, executive signing agent, loan signing agent, all these different titles, right? All of them mean the same exact thing, that you process mortgage documents. You got a little higher level training. That's it. So don't get caught up in the title. I don't know if you're in an attorney state or not. But basically, the loan signing agent is just, like I said, do a different level of documents. And those documents are not complicated.
And you just a notary signing loan documents.
You just a notary signing loan documents. So don't get caught up in all these fancy titles and all that. You just get a little extra training. And at the end of the day, your whole role as a notary signing agent, loan signing agent, executive signing agent, all these fancy titles, you're going to ID the person. You're going to write it in your journal. You're going to stamp that paper and get your money. That's it. That's it. It's simple. It's not that complicated. So let's keep going. So we got Get Connected. Hey, Get Connected says, brand new while I'm building, would love some options on how and which name to use and how to navigate marketing, advertising, example, Google My Business, before establishing a business name and structure. So yes, your name is very important. Your name is very important. So you want to have in your name, especially if you want to do like mobile notary, you want to have like Smith's services. Because when people go to Google, they're going to be putting in notary near me, and you want all those words to populate. So if you put something like, and I'm not saying nobody go out and change your name based on what I'm saying, okay? I'm just giving you some ideas, because if you already established, that can cost you money. But you can still even alter that a little bit on your Google page, even if you already have a name. But for example, you wouldn't want to put She Signs by Design. What is that? Well, who knows what that is? But if you put Sarah's Mobile Notary Service, then now when you go into search, you're going to populate. So don't put something so fancy that people can't find you. And I see a lot of cute names, and people say, well, I'm not getting calls. Sometimes I kind of know why they're not, but I don't want to tell people to go change their whole everything. But if you're in a state where you can change your name right now, add mobile notary services to it.